Alright everyone, good morning. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, 2024 at 09:34. And we have our day one outlook to look at here for severe weather. Oh Lord. How many are we going to do that Wi-Fi garbage today? Here we go. Anyway, yeah, today's outlook, let's look at it here. So we got a little bit of South Dakota here. Oh, by the way, if you are coming in from Jonathan Schlack EAS and Weathers channel, I welcome you in, as I will be providing you the outlooks for this over the course of a week, as Jonathan is currently in Aruba. So I will be taking over the outlooks for him during this time. Anyway, here we go. Now we can start the outlooks. So we have a little bit of South Dakota here, extreme western Iowa here. We got basically almost all of Nebraska involved in this, going into a little bit of southeastern Wyoming here, and northeastern to central Colorado, and it looks like a little bit of Kansas there having a marginal. We also have one out over here in basically the coastal areas, coastal South Carolina and North Carolina. So let's see what cities we've got involved. We got Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Wilmington, Greeley, and Sioux City having a marginal. Let's take a look at today's tornado risk. Looks like we only have a 2% over here in the coastal Carolinas, so that's nice. Nobody else has one. So let's see. We've got Wilmington, Greenville, Jacksonville, Wilson, and Goldsboro. Nice, under 2%, so you might see an isolated EF1 if it becomes strong enough, but I would say more of an EF0. Anyway, today's damaging wind threat, we only have it out here. Again, in a little bit of southeastern South Dakota, extreme western Iowa. It looks like we got almost all of Nebraska involved in this. We've got southeastern Wyoming here, northeastern Colorado into central, and then into northwestern into central Kansas there. So let's see what we've got going on here. We got Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Greeley, Sioux City, and Cheyenne having this 5% of damaging winds. So I definitely would say 60 to 70 mile per hour winds could be possible. But, we'll have to see about that point. Anyway, let's see what we've got for today's tornado risk again. We got this same area here under this 5%, which includes a little bit of South Dakota, Nebraska, into Colorado, Wyoming, and Kansas. So, yeah, that's basically our hail risk. So we got Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Greeley, Cheyenne, and Kearney having this 5%. So, this 5% over here, you could see hailstones of 1 to 2 inches possible. Anyway, let's see what the SPC says today. So it says marginal severe weather potential is apparent over parts of the central Great Plains and coastal Carolinas. So there you have it. That's basically our severe weather day for today. There's today's hail risk, today's damaging wind risk, today's tornado risk, and our overall day one outlook. So, yeah.